Hello investors, my name is ZKIN and welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy. So right now, in the past 24 hours, the market is actually down 1.8%. So if we take a look here, the top gainers in the past 24 hours is going to be Quant. So that one is up about 28.86%. Highest volume, like usual, is going to be Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is in a little bit of a downtrend here on going into Sunday night. And obviously Monday morning, we're hoping for a recovery to happen overnight. Usually we see a little bit of a sell-off Sunday evening and then obviously a little bit of an uptrend Monday morning. But that pattern obviously does not have to happen every single time, and we could see a downtrend. It all depends. So right now, Bitcoin trading right under that 40,000 area. We were at that 42,000 area. That was a very, very hard area to get to. And then obviously we pulled back down a little bit. We're down about 4.8% the past 24 hours. But we still have hope that it could come back up to that area and break through to new highs. Now, Ethereum only down about 1%, trading at around that 2,500 area. But that is also because Ethereum had a little bit of a breakout during Sunday and went up to about 2,800 at one point. Binance Coin down about 3%, Cardano down 2%, Ripple down 4%, Doge is down 3%. So Doge, you guys see Doge right now is still performing very, very horribly in my opinion, not performing very well. All these other altcoins are down about 2 to 5% depending on the coin. And then obviously we have some outliers that are in the green. So those are, that's what's happening right now in the market. Now let's get into this countdown. But before we do that, smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification to get notified every time we make a new video. We're aiming for 40,000 subscribers. And as always, if you want to sign up for We Won't get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, links will be in the description. And leave a comment below. What crypto are you looking to buy right now? So the first altcoin is going to be Cosmos, also known as Atom. So Atom is down about 4.5% from highs of about 1327, 1345 at one point on Sunday evening. Now here in the past week, this one's up about 7% with those highs at around that 13 area or 13 and a half or so. In the past month, it's up 11%, but it did hit lows down here of about under $9 at one point. So if you bought under $9 and you rode it up all the way to about $13, you'd be up about $4 or about 40% or so just in a matter of 2 weeks or a little bit less. So in the past year, this one is up 223% from about $3.80 all the way up here to highs of over $32 at one point in May. Then obviously the crypto market pulled back down all the way down to about $11 here for Cosmos. Continued to trade sideways pretty much for the 2 months, just like the rest of the crypto market did. Everything was just going back and forth. Nothing was moving higher. And, we were just waiting for that dip opportunity. It even made lower lows down here about that $9 range a few times, but it came back up just like it is right now. It's still a little bit underperforming compared to some of these other altcoins that are running, faster, but still a very low altcoin, low market cap coin. And that's definitely, where the opportunities come. A low market cap gives us more opportunity for the future to 2x, 3x, 5x, and so on and so on. So this one in the past, it's right here at the market cap at 2.7 billion, volume in the past 24 hours at 242.3 million. Circulating supply is obviously at 219.1 million. So Cosmos is a cryptocurrency that powers an ecosystem of blockchains designed to scale and interoperate with each other. The team aims to create an internet of blockchain, a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. Cosmos is a proof-of-stake chain. Atom holders can stake their tokens in order to maintain the network and receive more Atom as a reward. So obviously you can get more, Atom coins by staking your coins. So staking is obviously one of those things that, many people do not understand about crypto, but it can be a very, very nice thing, especially if you're a long-term investor in crypto and you believe in your coins, obviously, for a long time and you're not planning on selling no matter what happens in the market. So, if you're holding for 5, 10, 15, or 20 years, I would definitely look into staking personally, because it's kind of like to just dumb it down like you're a 5-year-old pretty much. It's basically you putting your coins in there, your cryptocurrency, and then you're getting an interest payment pretty much back on your coins. So let's say it's 5%, 6%, or 7%, whatever it is, locked up for a certain amount of time. It's kind of like a bank CD in a way. I guess that's the simplest way I could let you guys understand that. Just like with bank CD, when you lock in your money for, let's say, 2 years at a 1% rate, in those 2 years you're going to earn that 1% rate. Except in the crypto space, you earn that interest plus the growth obviously on upside, or if it goes down, on the downside. So depending. So it's just an extra layer of security, I guess you could say, to have something to back you up in case the crypto market continues to crash. At least you'll get some type of percentage of back on your investment. So definitely something interesting. If you guys don't know anything about staking, go ahead and, I'm sure you guys can find out on YouTube how to do staking for cryptocurrency. And also I can make a video about it. So leave a comment below letting me know if you want to see a video on that. So that is going to be our first altcoin. Our second altcoin is going to be Terra, also known as Luna. So this one is actually a coin that is still in the green in the past 24 hours. It actually hit highs here of $12.18 on Sunday night, and then we've been on a downtrend as the rest of the market pulled back a little bit, but it's still up 7%, trading at $11.55 in the past week. This one is up almost 40%, guys, with lows down here of at around $8. Now in the past month, it's up 95%, and we actually talked about this one a few weeks ago, and it's been great. So if you invested in Terra, also known as Luna, you've been making some nice gains. We even had lows down here of about $5.60, $5.70. So if you bought in down here on July 20th, you'd be up over 100% return on Terra, also known as Luna. So if you invested $1,000 right now, you'd have over $2,000. Just in a matter of 2 weeks or so, which is just that's the potential that you can get in crypto. That's why crypto is a high risk, high reward type situation. And that's why I always say I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is all for entertainment purposes. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, because the crypto space is a high risk, high reward type situation. Your coins can go up 100% or they can go down 60 or 70% in a matter of a few days. And that's where the risk comes in. And that's why a lot of people don't, mess around with crypto, and they stay with the stock market, because the stock market is a little bit more stable. The company has some value towards it. There's reasoning. You can look at earnings and different things to see how the company is going to perform. Meanwhile, crypto, it's not that way. It's just an alternative currency. So, right here, if we take a look on this one for the 1 year chart, it's up 3,445%, as it was trading around 30 cents last August when the coin, was there. Right now it actually hit highs up here in March at $22. And then it was actually down here in April and May, which were like the hottest time periods pretty much for crypto. It was actually down, which is surprising to see. But that is, the pattern doesn't have to be the same for every single altcoin. They can, break that pattern. So it did break down all the way down here to lows of about $4. But even if you bought here at the low at $4, you would have made over 100%, close to 200% gains by now. But you can see right here, it's having a lot of momentum on this run up, and we might make it back to those $15 ranges again. Market cap is still super low at 4.9 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours right under 400 million. So this coin, very nice, good potential, low market cap, nice, something that we like to see obviously as investors, because we like those opportunities. So that's our second altcoin, and then our third altcoin is one that likes to run very hot or go down a lot. So this one is a high risk situation right here. Internet Computer, ICP, down about 6.5% in the past 24 hours, trading at $40.41 in the past week. This one's actually down 7% compared to the rest of the market. And then obviously on the 1 month chart, down 19%, but it was at lows of $26 and highs of about $47 or so. So about an 80% gain right there, actually, just in a matter of a week or so. In the past year, this one's up over 336%, as it was trading at $10 last year. We hit highs here of over $750 here in May. This was an insane run on May 8th to May 11th, pretty much. Insane gain from $200 all the way to $750. Massive run up on Internet Computer. It was very popular at that point. Then literally within 2 days came back down right where it was, and then obviously with the crypto market crash, everything continued to go lower and lower. And now we seem to be stabilizing here and consolidating around this in the 30s. That seems to be kind of like the support level, and we're going to have to see what happens. But when this one runs, oh boy does it run. So definitely one to keep your eye out on for the future to see how it's going to perform if we have a bull run and altcoins start to move. So 5.7 billion market cap, volume in the past 24 hours is 251.7 million. Internet Computer, ICP, is a utility token that allows users to participate in and govern the Internet Computer blockchain network. The network aims to help developers create websites, enterprise IT systems, internet services, and DeFi applications by installing their code directly on the public internet. ICP can also be staked or converted into cycles that can be used to power computation for dApps and traditional applications. So another staking type situation, just like with Cosmos that we talked about, staking, very popular in the crypto world. If you haven't looked into it, I would definitely look into staking. It is very popular, guys. So those are the three altcoins, obviously, that we're going to be talking about today. Now, the rest of the market, Bitcoin, like we said, down about 5% in the past 24 hours, hit highs of 42,605 right there on Saturday. Then we continue to go a little bit down, but still, around that 40,000 area, 772.7 billion market cap. In the past week, it's actually up 12%, past month, 18%, and then in 1 year chart, 258%. But this, uptrend was very nice to see. We might see a little bit of a pullback and then another run up higher, possibly back into the mid 40s. That would be very nice to see. We need to break through that resistance that we've been pretty much trying to break through for 2 months now. If we can break through it, I believe that we're going to see a little bit of a bull run, obviously, in the crypto space in general. So we're going to be watching this one very, very closely this weekend, especially with a lot more earnings coming out this weekend in the stock market. That might affect crypto as well. So here we have Ethereum down about 1%, hitting highs of about 2,700 or so here on Sunday, trading at 2,545 right now. In the past week, it's up 16%. Past month, 20%, and then on the 1 year chart, 583%, as it was trading at around $400 last year, went to highs of 4,400, pulled back down, traded sideways, and now we're finally starting to see this uptrend from that 1,700 level all the way up to about 2,700 level now. So nice gain of about $1,000 here in the past 2 weeks on Ethereum. Market cap 313.9 billion right now. Volume in the past 24 hours at 22.6 billion. So Ethereum is performing very well compared to the rest of the market. Obviously, it is pushing on higher. So Doge is one of the ones that I've been saying it's going to go down lower, especially if we don't see a hot market, because Doge is pretty much selling off for the long term now. So this one's down 3%. In the past week, it's up 3%. In the past month, it's actually down 19.5%, and it was here at 16 cents. If it wasn't for that Bitcoin run, this one would have continued to go lower, in my opinion. So we got lucky and moved up, but it didn't move up much. It only moved up about 25 to 30%. But if we look at the bigger picture, since those highs that we saw in May, it's just been going lower and then lower and then lower. And now we've seen a little bit of a turnaround. It might be a false flag right there and come back right back down, come back even lower, back to the 15 cents area. If it goes under 15 cents to around the 10 cents area, it's game over for Doge, in my opinion. It was a meme coin, guys. You have to admit it. 27.1 billion market cap. This coin, I don't think it's ever going to reach that $1 range like some people are believing. There was a lot of hype around it. Yeah, at this point here in May, yeah, it could have reached $1. Everybody believed in it. So did I, obviously. But at these prices now, after the sell-off, even when it came back to 56 cents, everybody knew it was time to get out. If you didn't, I feel bad for everybody who didn't. But you guys need to, weigh out your risk and reward type situation and speak to your financial advisor so you don't get stuck bag holding in situations like this, especially in crypto. So yeah, guys, these are the 3 altcoins. This is how the market is performing right now. What do you think is going to happen this week? Are we going to be green? Or are we going to be red? Are we going to break through that 42,000 area? Leave a comment below letting me know. Smash that like button for me, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, links will be in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.